This is David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell. We have completed our aesthetics training course, which was a tremendous success. Overall, 5-star feedback from all the attendees. The content that we've produced, which has turned into first-rate education, includes real patients undergoing real procedures with real biologics. So when you see these videos in our online training or in the portal as one of our network providers, what you'll see is real situations. When you hear the providers talking to the patients about what they're going through, these are real issues. And when someone has a procedure, it's not just a fallacious procedure. This is someone who has a real issue, either with erectile dysfunction or hair loss due to chemotherapy, or just getting older, or it could be issues with aging and the wrinkle process as it sets in. So what you should understand is that none of this is theatrical. These are real procedures with first-rate technique that you're just not going to be able to see anywhere else. You cannot get the skin turgor and reaction and understanding of how to do, let's say, a nerve block from a cadaver, right? So when you see the providers working through this, what you'll see is a real understanding of what they're doing and how a patient will or won't, react to it.